OnePlus 10R launch date is set to be on May 4, 2022. The mobile will be available in various of colors variant. OnePlus is launching its next flagship series to the market. But this time the brand is adding more variety to its lineup with the R series for buyers. Let's talk about the specifications of this phone. This latest OnePlus device has a 6.55-inch AMOLED display with full HD+ resolution at 1080 by 2400 pixels. The screen pixel density of 402 ppi, and gets Protect Corning Gorilla Glass 6, and it has a punch hole layout at the top left. With aspect ratio as 20:9 display, screen-to-body ratio of 84%. The power button is on the right and the volume keys is on the left side of the phone. For security, this phone has an on-screen fingerprint sensor built under the display and face unlock that works via selfie camera. OnePlus 10R uses an octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 8100 Max chipset processor along with 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage but lacks of storage card slot. This device is powered by a Mali G610 MC6 GPU. This phone is running on Oxygen OS built over Android 12 operating system. The phone also features a triple camera setup at the back that includes 50 megapixels wide-angle lens with f1.8 aperture plus 8 megapixels ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture and a 2 megapixels macro lens with f2.4 aperture. On front, the phone has a 16 megapixels wide-angle selfie camera with f2.4 aperture that also supports video calls. OnePlus 10R phone is loaded with a 5000 mAh battery with 65-watt fast charging support via USB Type-C port. In addition, this device also included these features such as dual SIM, Wi-Fi, 5G, Bluetooth 5.1, 4G Volt, USB OTG, NFC, GPS, light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass and gyroscope. What do you think about this phone? Leave comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel as well as press the bell icon to be notified of my new upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.